Hello, so we're back. This is a nice laptop. Check here, it's a ThinkPad i5 Gen L590. Huh? What's the problem with the laptop? Very simple. Yeah, let's press the power button. You can see the light. So the laptop is on, and follow the screen. You'll see Lenovo logo. You can see the Lenovo logo there? Yeah, but no backlight. Now I can try different tricks, but no, it's not backlight. Yeah, so that's the issue with this laptop. So I will say welcome to another dodgy repair. Okay, so something has to be dodgy. Either it's the screen connector, or the inverter, or the screen signals, or the fuse. Something has to be dodgy on this video. Okay, so let's open the laptop quickly. Let's try to have a look inside. Okay, so the back cover is removed. Lol. Can you see what I see? Or not? Here, check here. So here was liquid damage. Here we have a little bit of liquid damage. Here we have liquid damage. But where is the screen connector? 1 second. This one is the screen connector. I can't see liquid damage around the connector, but I can see there. Let me unplug the battery first. And we can have a look to the screen connector. Even on the battery connector, I can see a little bit of liquid damage. And you know what? The screen connector is clean. Yeah, so it's nothing here. Look, it's no liquid damage here. Okay, in this case, the job is kind of strange. I mean, if it's no liquid damage at the screen connector, maybe it's on the screen size. Okay, so that's the screen connector and it's looking good. Yeah, it's nothing here. So here we have some liquid damage. Check here. And this is from the power button. Yeah, that's the problem. Still don't understand how the laptop is starting. So you see, because we have liquid damage at the ribbon cable from the power button, most likely the lead sensor is there. So if the computer is sensing like the lid is closed, the backlight is off. But it's not meant to start. That's why it's strange. So I can't really say I'm sure that's the problem. Yeah, liquid damage. And here I seen, yeah, on the battery connector some liquid damage. Here some MOSFET, some liquid damage. But otherwise the board is not looking bad. It's no point checking on the other side of the board because the liquid damage came from this side. But let's clean it. It's I don't know. Looks like it's some sweet liquid, but not sure about that. Let's take this cable out and check on the other side. And it's looking okay, you know what? It's looking fine. Yeah, so here is fine. Here is fine. Here is fine. This is a power supply. Here we have to clean. Perfect. Huh? What do you think? Otherwise, the motherboard is looking good. Perfect. So that was all the job, huh? It's fixed now. Let's dry the board with some hot air. Perfect. Let's connect the power button. The screen. And the battery. Good. Now let's press the power button. Pressing the power button, the laptop it is coming on. And it's coming on, but no backlight. Yeah. So we have a different problem here. Okay, let me try a trick here. So I will power on, and I will take out the power button ribbon cable. And it's same thing, yeah, we don't have backlight, so it's not the lead sensor. It's not the lead sensor. Now what I will do, I will unplug the screen connector, and we have to do some measurements here at the screen connector. I'll plug the battery back. Good. And at the screen connector, check here, yeah, how they identify the pins. So here you have 3 pins together. So check here, you can see 3 pins together. So clearly this is your 19 or the battery main power rail, yeah? So this is the main power rail. Then somewhere you have a 3.3, not sure if it's here. Or probably here we can see 2 pins together. But let me take the multimeter and let's check. Multimeter is on the screen. Let's see, what do we have here? Here we have 0 volts. Do you think it's okay? Let's power on the laptop. Give me 1 second. Power on and the laptop is on. Let's check a few things. So now we know actually the laptop it is on. Here we have 3.3. I got scared. 3.3 volts. Okay, so I was wrong. So the 19 should be here. And it's nothing. So 3.3 is present, the 19, which has to be here. Yeah, so here is ground then. Yeah, here is ground. Here is supposed to be 19, and it's not. Let me see what we have here. Here you have 11.4, which is fantastic. Okay, so how we can fix something like that? Now first you have to be cautious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect the battery. Yeah, so the battery is disconnected. Now I'm gonna plug the connector back. Yeah, I will take the power supply. Clearly we have a burn fuse here. Yeah, but we have to see why that fuse got burned. Well, let me limit the current. Yeah, so we have like 500 milliamps. And let's come with the voltage exactly on the screen. I can't because this is too big, right? Yeah. Oh, maybe I can. Huh? No, I think I touched the ground. Let me use the tweezer. 1 second. So using the tweezer here, and it's not short, you can see. So it's not short here, yeah, it's ground, you can see. But here it's not short. So what do you think? What is the solution? Huh? What do you think is the solution? Hmm? The solution is a proper calibrated wire. Yeah, you're right. Now, you have to understand what's going on here. So, having a fuse here, how this is useful, having a fuse on the screen connector, on the main power rail. It's useful because the screen is shorted, or the ribbon cable is shorted. The fuse, it will blow up, and you can still use the laptop, let's say with output HDMI. But if you have no fuse, what will happen? The screen, it will disconnect because it will be short. The charger, it will disconnect, and the laptop will not come because it's a short. I'm just trying to explain you what that fuse is doing and what the other laptop are doing without that fuse. Okay, so what is it gonna happen? Let's use our X grade rosin. Perfect. Just a little bit. A wire. Perfect. And the wire has to go where? The wire has to go here. Remember we checked with the multimeter and it was like 11 volts? Yeah. Perfect. So what do you think? It is a proper repair or not? Your opinion. So now we can plug back the screen connector. I mean, yeah, you know what? I definitely, actually have not. I mean, yeah, I can lose a little bit of time, take the motherboard out. But, you know, just doing a job quickly, we can charge less money, the customer can be happy. So the laptop is on. And we have picture, check there, huh? What do you think? It was like what? Like, okay, 15 minutes. Okay, it was 15 minutes, but we cleaned it because it was liquid damage. Yeah, we cleaned it. Yeah, restart my PC. So if you have this laptop, which is L590, and you have a backlight problem, now you know how to test, how to check. Okay, we have a username there. Anyway, it's working great. Yeah, it's working great. Kind of short. This is a short video. After I will edit the video, this will be quite short. So let me put the back cover. Yeah, this is done. It's nothing what we can do. We fix it. What about a hinge, huh? I seen on the video people said, oh, sorry, and I love watching fixing hinge. So check here, can we fix a hinge? This is another job which is coming from a local repair shop, 60-pound job, you know, it's not that hard. So what do you think about this? First, let's test the laptop, that's the rule, yeah? We have to check the laptop first. Pressing the power button, and I can't see this laptop common. Let me find a charging connector. Okay, so we found the connector. Let's switch to 19. Let's raise the current a little bit. Plug in the charger. It's taking current, pressing the power button. 1.3 amps, and we have picture. Checking the screen is good. So how we can fix this hinge? That's my question. Let's try to take out the frame. I don't think this it will be easy. Probably the frame is stuck. Huh? Or maybe not. No. Yeah. No. But I see a lot of laptops with the front frame stuck on the screen with glue, which is insane. And yeah, I did damage a screen removing that frame. After I removed the frame, I seen some lines on the screen. Okay, so we remove this thingy. So how we can take it out? Like that. No, we can't do it because the hinge is stuck, so we have to open this laptop anyway. Yeah, so this is kind of pointless because we still have to open the laptop. Yeah, let's open the laptop quickly. This is a Asus model A516 GA. Okay, so the laptop is open. Lol, that's insane. Check here the amount of dust. I'll try to speak with the computer shop, so they can speak with the owner, and you know, this laptop need like overheating job, cleaning the fan, the dust, replacing the thermal paste, things like that. Now I seen on the yesterday video the one with the hinge, and you know, everyone has a different opinion about those jobs. The thing is, I'm working from so long time on this. I try everything possible there, yeah, like all kind of epoxy and plastic powder combined with different things and polystyrene. I don't even remember. I tried so many ways to fix the hinge, and no, the final solution of hot glue. Hot glue was way over anything we try, like over anything we try. And when I mean it was over anything we try, it's based on the you know how long it will hold. I mean, you have to give like 3 months warranty, but obviously if the customer come back 4 months, you can't say no. So we had to be sure it will work more than 3 months, and indeed, hot glue, years, yeah, years, and the hinge it will still be fine. Then has to be something which you can switch it back. Yeah, so let's say I'm fixing the hinge now. Tomorrow I need to replace the screen, or maybe the customer want to replace the screen after a while. If you use something which you can't open, is bad because that customer will come back to you. Now, ordering the parts, that's not worth. You can forget about that. You know, the back cover, ordering hinge, you know, it's not worth. I mean, we've been there. We try to do it on a proper way. Nah, it's not worth. You probably you can fix it, obviously, but either you don't find the parts or you are not making money. So it's bad on every way possible. So if you've seen something on my video and you are not used to do it on this way, you know what? It's my advice. My advice: try once, yeah, just to have that experience. Try once, and if you don't like it, just come back on the way you are doing it. So this one is broken. Check here. How we can fix this one? Not sure about this one. Not sure about this one, but we have to fix it. Yeah. This hinge, this hinge is still fine. Yeah, it's still fine. The screws are good. So we have to fix this hinge. Yeah, that's the Wi-Fi cable, which has to be like that. Now here is a huge advantage because we still have the bits. Yeah, so you're using hot glue. When you come on the hole with those metal thingy, it'll be like a proper job. I mean, you want to tell me, yeah? You want to tell to Sorin you will actually replace the back, the plastic? And the first second you'll try to remove the screen, probably you'll crack the screen because I can't see that things which you pull them to take out the screen. So the screen probably is stuck on the back. So you try to remove the screen, you'll crack the screen. No, I can't see. So, you know, you'll waste time, you'll waste money, and you say, yeah, you know what? Let's use let's use hot glue. Another thing, what I told you before, you have two cars that goes on accident. The more damaged car, the better one, because absorbed the shock. Yeah. So if you use here some hard glue, it's bad. You don't want something hard here. You want something elastic. Yeah. You want something. I want something like that. Yeah. So I can break the metal, I can break the plastic, I can break the anything, even the carbon fiber. You can break it, but no hot glue. So if this hot glue you bond it properly by the plastic and the metal, it cannot be ripped off. Only if you are in a very hot country, and yeah, that can make sense. Perfect. Let's use some hot glue. You don't even need that much hot glue here. Good. Then you have this bit. Now, in order to bond them properly, you have to heat up the hinge. Let me replace the nozzle with a small one because you don't want to melt the plastic or damage the screen. You need a small nozzle. By the way, the temperature is like 480 degrees. Yeah, I'm using max temperature. The air is like 40 degrees. Perfect. Perfect. We need a little bit more hot glue. Just to, hold the top frame. Perfect. Now this one, but first we have, where is that thingy? Yeah, here. We have this one, this bit, you remember? So we have to put this bit first. Yeah, perfect. And now we can put back the top frame, yeah? The front bezel. Perfect. And we still have that screw, which is good. Okay, this has to come. It's my fault. This has to come here. Yeah. Now it's good. Perfect. Now let's put a screw there. Perfect. Now we can put back the front bezel because everything is fine. Perfect. Okay, so all done here. The hinge perfectly fixed. All we have to do is to put the screen back and we are done. Okay, so everything looks fine. So please, when you see laptops like that, yeah, in my videos, don't ask me why I didn't clean it. It's kind of rude because I'm taking the people money. I mean, they can do a cleanup. I mean, on a job like this, you fix the hinge 60. Usually they call the customer, yeah? This is not a brand new job overheating. It's already came with a different fault. So they will call the customer, they will ask for 10 pounds, 20 pounds on top so they can clean it, replace the thermal paste, yeah? If I'm doing it, yeah? If I'm doing it, or I don't tell them, yeah? Because I will tell them, it's kind of rude. And I feel bad because, I'm taking the money from the people. I mean, I'm stealing their money. It's not fair. That's that's when you are working with computer shops. Don't try to explain it. This is not like a customer job. Okay? Just, try to make you understand. It's not like sorry, you're ignoring the fan and the dust. And, I have an obsession with the heat. I will never do something like that for a customer. You know that. I'm just saying, there are things which you can't do it, especially when you are working with computer shops. Let's see. So the battery is charging fine. The laptop, it's off. Let's press the power button. Pressing the power button. The laptop, it is coming on. The hinge is perfect. Let's wait to see the picture on the screen to be sure the screen is still good. Yeah. So we have picture. Everything is working fine. Yes, and the hinge is repaired. Okay, good. So I'm gonna stop now. I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And have a beautiful weekend, yeah? The weekend is coming. We're gonna have a coffee together Sunday, yeah? Be there. Bye.